welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're gonna be trying Asian candies. Welcome to my channel, and if you already haven't, make sure you hit the subscribe button and that like button. Don't forget to comment down below what you want to see next. Literally these have like 0 writing on them. This box is already open because she wanted to open it. Xoxo.
Thank you.
1, 2, 3.
I can go for another.
Oh my god.
Oh, that one. I want the gummy.
Okay,
Gummy.
Okay?
The gummy.
We don't even know it's gonna taste good. So
It looks like hickory sticks with like little peppers.
Yeah, it does look like
I wanna
hickory sticks. 3.
Ugh.
Arizona Kaylee. Wait, I'm gonna.
Pepper, chicken, spicy, sriracha. I don't know.
Okay, wait.
It smells gross.
Okay.
Oh, it smells.
Okay, guys, so that's the end of this video. And if you guys like this video, then we will do another one. We'll go to the store and we'll buy like a whole bunch more stuff to try. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and that like button, and don't forget to comment down below what you want to see next. Bye guys!